TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 49. You get the NASDAQ up 14. S&Ps are up 3.5. Gold's backing down $7.70. Silver's off 31. Bonds. We have the 10-year down 7 ticks. The 30 up 8. Oil is flat out here at 51.52, and King Dollar is up by 800 ticks at 97.77. The euro is down 57 at 108.65. Now we're going to start over right inside the good old S&Ps. You know what you have over in Europe today, folks, and last night. Last night you had Asia up. Europe is up about 1% to 1.5%, and that is a catch-up move from our run higher yesterday. So what do we have with the S&Ps? Okay, so your E-minis, folks, just tested the updraft of the 30th, which is 2081.75, and it couldn't handle it. The thing that's intriguing about that is this, is that level there is not the higher level, meaning the downdraft that we're talking about is 089 to 5.2. That's where the market came down hard on the 25th of March, as well as the 6th of March. Okay, those two benchmarks are the benchmarks. So what has happened here this morning is that, bottom line, you get over or right at the highs of the 30th. Couldn't handle those highs. If we take a look at the SPY and you want to see this correlation, it's going to be pretty cool watching this thing shake out. What we had with the SPY yesterday is that the SPY went up, and it was going up on 114 million shares versus the downdraft of 153. And what they had with the SPY out here today, you hit 208.64, and right now you're at 208.20, so you also have a failure there. The Qs, the NDX 100, what we have with the 3 Qs, same type of setup as the 3 Qs. Market, I suspect, is going to basically reject higher price out here today. Let me flip right to the dollar, because it's going to be about the volatility inside the currency markets, folks. What we have is this. The dollar started going topside yesterday big time. The euro got cracked, and it got cracked big time. This is after the jobs numbers that came out on Friday. That's where the dollar went down 1,300 ticks. Bottom line, made it right back. You know, the start of that downdraft was 97.86. We got to 97.97 today. Now, I suspect what you're going to see is that the 97.86 level won't hold. We just got the first couple sells inside that dollar index on a 10-minute basis, and, you know, we'll see whether she can crack this 97.67 area. We go over to gold. We take a look at gold. What we have happening with gold is this. Gold yesterday got into the swing point from the 26th of March, had lighter volume, pull back. Now what you have is just what you need if you happen to be a metals bull. You're backing into the sign of strength from the 1st of April. That number is 1208.70. The gold contract thus far has rejected the 1208.70, and it has done that with lighter volume. What that sets up is higher price inside that gold market. What that also sets up, I expect, is that you're going to see volatility inside the dollar index. And we go back into the bond market. We take a look at bonds. What we have with bonds out here is this. The 10-year bond is trading out at 129.07. That number, she's backing down, and she's backing down into the day of strength from the 1st of April with dramatically lighter volume. So when you put this baby together, the thing you want to watch first out here is that dollar index. I expect the dollar index is going to pull back. Market itself is going to be red. You get a rejection. We've already rejected the 30th. We've rejected it. We'll see whether it's going to be lighter volume. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking to you right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.